Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Taurus. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. Taurus, if you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have Death in reverse, Five of Swords and Four of Cups in reverse. So in your circumstances, guys, Taurus, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are seeing some changes in your work or in your personal life. You are trying really hard, guys, doing your best, and you may see some obstacles or something may be may not be right. So though you are trying really hard, making relentless efforts, your situation is not improving. So lack of that energy, you feel that you are sick and tired of the way things are today in your life and you want to change this circumstance for you. So it may be some delays you are seeing in your work, some suspensions maybe of some projects or some difficulties, guys, or maybe in this relationship some kind of that lack of interest you have. Maybe you are not even interested to see this person, or maybe they are not even interested to come visit you or see you, be with you. So maybe there are a lot of things on your mind, a lot of things weighing you down. You feel really burdened today. So things are not going as expected, guys. And maybe you are just wishing and praying for some changes in your circumstances and in your relationship, Taurus. There may be some misunderstanding, something may not be right, and you may feel that this relationship is not working and things are not going as expected. So some lack of interest or something missing you may feel in this love, guys. But Taurus, you need not worry. This situation is not going to last forever. So some changes are happening in this relationship. There is a change in the way this relationship is going, guys. So changes are coming, positive changes are coming. So if you are in a connection, in a relationship, you are seeing some new changes, a sweetness or vibrancy in this love. So things are going to change for the better. Or if you are single, if you are ready for a new connection, there is someone interesting coming to propose to you, guys. So it may be a new love or a new way of things in this relationship, Taurus. So for your relationship, we picked one card and it is Ace of Pentacles. So maybe for some of you, Taurus, this sweetness or vibrancy you feel in this relationship is taking you towards marriage or commitment. So there is huge positive changes happening in this relationship, guys, and you are simply happy for the way things are going between you both, Taurus. So for your career circumstance, Taurus, we have Four of Pentacles. So with this card, it just means that you are not really flexible enough In your work situation, you have certain ideas and you go by that, you work by those ideas. Maybe if you try to be a little more flexible, your circumstances are going to change very soon, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Taurus. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstance, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, we have Cosmic Heart. So with this card, guys, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe you have faced a lot of trials, a lot of difficulties, struggles, and you're trying to understand the reason for things going in a particular way, or the reason for maybe you're resisting something, resisting some changes or some circumstances. But whatever it is you do, maybe you feel really uncomfortable today, but you need to understand that life is unfolding just as it should. Maybe whether you understand it or not, whether you accept it or not. So that is the meaning with this card, guys. So in your circumstances today, you need some clarity or some kind of understanding, and you are attempting to hold on to things you don't want to lose, maybe, and you don't want to let go, and you don't want to change yourself. Maybe your circumstances are pushing you towards some changes, and you feel that you cannot handle those changes, or handle a change in your the way you are, or in your situation. So you are resisting some change happening to you or happening to your circumstances. But you need to understand that you don't need to know what is going on, guys. Maybe sometimes life will unfold some circumstances, some things we may not understand, but it will be for our own good. So universe is aligning some changes for you today in your life, guys. Maybe in your personal life or in your career situation, whatever it is, and it is that divine destiny that is being delivered to you, whether you like it or not, or whether you understand it or not. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, we have Why. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in our life, in this relationship, we often we often go through certain circumstances. We often engage in our relationships. Maybe our feelings are not always logical. Maybe now you need to try to understand whether these feelings are triggered by something of the past. Maybe what is the motivation behind this behavior of yours? You need to ask yourself why you are feeling this way, or why you said certain things to this person. So you need to spend time in introspection, thinking about what needs to be done. Listen to the messages from your intuition, deep down within you, what does it tell about yourself? So life is a deep understanding of our needs and how to get them, guys. So we need to uncover deep down in our heart. We will know why we are expecting certain things or why we are behaving in such a way. So these powerful questions we can ask ourselves and our partner today. So that is going to uncover the answers. What is the true intentions we have in our situation? If it is true love we have towards this person, that is the reason for our behavior or for our words, we can go ahead. But if the answer is something of the past, maybe we want to say some things to this person, some unresolved issues we have with our past person, and we just take it out on this person we are with. So if that is the case, that is the motive behind this relationship, we must think again whether we need this connection. So we need to be clear about the motives we have today towards this person, towards this relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.